Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to check what is your system video memory. So, how to check that? And I'm using Dell Precision 7740 workstation, and in this my laptop I have Quadro RTX 5000 graphics card. So, and also one thing, I'm using Windows 11 OS. So, how to check that? Simply click on your desktop, right click, okay, then select this option, show more options, and select NVIDIA control panel. And you must install NVIDIA control panel for checking this kind of informations. So click here and you will get this window. In this window you can see here left bottom side system information. Click on that link, then you will get another window within seconds. Okay, then you can see here our details. Just scroll up, then you can see option of system video memory. It is 0 MB on my computer, and shared system memory is 16,196 MB, and my total available graphics memory is around 32,580 MB, and dedicated video memory is 16,384 MB, and I'm using a DDR6 supported graphics card. So that's guys, in this way you can easily identify what is your system video memory. So very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.